In this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix Netflix. Your account cannot be used in this location, okay? It is very quickly and very easy. First of all, I will point out that I'm doing the process on mobile, Android, but you can do the exact process on your computer, TV, or your phone too, okay? So the first thing you need to do is log on Chrome or your Safari, okay? Doesn't matter. After doing that, you need to click on search and type contact Netflix, okay? After doing that, you just need to click on contact us, and here in my case it is on Portuguese, okay? Because my Netflix account, it is created on Brazil, but in your case you need to swipe down and click on call to us, okay? So click on call to us and call this number. After doing that, you need to explain the Netflix your problem. I search a little bit and I find on Netflix official website that this process is what you need to do, okay? So call Netflix and explain the error, okay? This error usually occurs when you travel a lot from country to country, so be aware of that. I hope I help you on how to fix the error. Your account cannot be used on this location on Netflix. So if this video helped you in any way, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to receive useful tips.